Okay, so welcome back, and now in these examples we're going to talk about area. Now, so in the first example, again, make sure you read the problem carefully. So in the first example, they give us radius, okay? In the second example, they give us diameter, and they want us to round this one into the tenths place, and we want to find the area of a circle that has a radius of 8.5 meters. So again, we want to make sure we pick the correct formula. So area equals pi r squared. The radius is 8.5 meters, okay? So, excuse me. So that's going to be pi times 8.5 squared, which is going to be pi times 56.25. Or no, that's not right, 63. Nope. 72. Okay, so, and then of course we use pi, and we're rounding to the nearest tenth, so use pi in your calculator, and so we get 226.9800. Okay, and since we're rounded to the nearest tenths, which is here, so this is going to be approximately equal to 2270, and that's meters squared, because we're talking about area. So area has square meters, square units. Okay, so that's the approximate area of that circle. Now, in this example here, they give us diameter, but if we're looking for area, such as in this case, we want the radius, okay? So the radius is half the diameter. So that means the radius in this case is going to be 6 feet and 4 inches. And again, we want to make sure we put these in the same unit. So I would make them both feet. So this is equal to 6 feet, and 4 inches is the same as 1/3 of a foot, right? So this is going to be 6 feet plus 1/3 of a foot, okay? And so now, in this case here, hold on a second here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, good. Okay, so now we're going to use the formula. So area equals pi times r squared. R is this, so it's going to be 6 plus 1/3 squared. Okay, now if you do this, now again, just use the order of operations. You can just do this plus this and square it in your calculator and do pi, and that's perfectly fine. Or you could change this into an improper fraction, and so this would be 19 over 3 feet, and then we could write this as pi times 19/3 squared, and you could do that in your calculator. It doesn't matter, either way, okay? And so what's the approximate answer with pi? Well, let's see, with pi we get 126.01227. Okay, and again we want to round to the nearest hundredths. So in this case, it's going to round to 126.01, and it's in feet, so it's going to be square feet. So that's the area of that given circle. And now in that example here, this turned out to be the area of the top of a drum, a cylindrical drum with a circular top. So, so the area of the top of the tank or drum is 126.01 square feet. Okay, so now let's go back. We'll do some more application examples, more examples. See you then.